Nah, seatbelt.
Oh yeah, I can't fit it. So what's the point in wearing it when I can't fit it? If they're going to give me a fine for not fitting my seatbelt, that's just being racist.
That's not racist.
To the fat people.
It's not racist, you idiot.
What is it then?
No one told you to go and eat like that.
Well, no one told him to make small seatbelts.
No,
They're just being racist. Like, what, do they think the whole world is skinny or something? What about the big people?
that's why it adjusts.
Yeah, well, not big enough. I could actually sue. Like, what if I crash and something happens to me because the seatbelt couldn't go around me?
Fuck.